So let's take a look at one example on how ASA addressed a potential interruption to the water supply. We see that water networks are under pressure due to rapid population growth and aging infrastructure. As a result, many utilities face application failures or pump failures that leave certain parts of the populace that they serve without water. Here is an article where a pump failure caused more than 150,000 people to be left without safe drinking water. By leveraging the ASA technology, SAM4 was able to detect developing faults in several applications. In this case, a borehole pump and an aeration rotor, which has in turn prevented loss of function and loss in water supply capacity, as well as prevent deterioration of water quality. Now, these detections happened weeks to months in advance of a potential catastrophic failure, which has in turn allowed for timely intervention from maintenance teams, respectively. This in turn not only prevented loss of function, but also reduced downtime, reduced hefty water violation fines, a potential pollution event, as well as reduced a significant operational spend.